Class 11 Mathematics NCERT New Delhi NACOSE Manipur Unit 1 Sets Relations and Functions Topic Relations Subtopic Relation from one set to another Domain and range of a relation Exercise 2.2 Relations. What is a relation? Let A and B be two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Thus, R is subset of A cross B. Example 1. Let A consist of AB and B consists of CD. Then A cross B consists of order pairs AC, AD, BC, BD. There are 2 power for 16 relations from A to B. One of them is R, which consists of order pairs AC, AD, BC. 2. A consists of 1, 2, 3, 5 and B consists of 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to order pairs X, Y, X minus Y is odd. X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. 3. The diagram represents a relation from P to Q. Diagram asina P dagi Q da oiba relation ama represent tawe. Domain, codomain and range of a relation. The set of all first elements of the order pairs in a relation are from a set A to a set B is called the domain of the relation R. A video over relation R order pair pumnamaki ahanba component pumnamakna semba set adubu relation R gi domain koe. The set B is called codomain of the relation R. Relation ama defined over the decision of any suba set B asibu codomain koe. The set of all second elements of the order pairs in a relation R from a set A to a set B is called the range of the relation R. Relation R gi order pair pumnamaki ani suba second component pumnamana same set adubu relation R gi range kawe. Remarks. A relation may be represented by roster method or by set builder method. Relation amasi roster method natraga set builder method na describe to way mahut sinbayai. An arrow diagram is a visual representation of a relation. Arrow diagram asina relation amabu minna uba mawongda mahut sile. The total number of relations from a set A to a set B is the number of possible subsets of A cross B. A setagi B sita oiba relations singi apun bamasing asi A cross B gi number of possible subsets ka managani. If n of A is P and n of B is Q, then n of A cross B is P into Q and the total number of relations is 2 power PQ. A relation R from A to A is called a relation on A. A dagi A da oiba relation amabu relation on A kawi. Range of a relation is a subset of codomain of the relation. Relation amagi range asi relation adugi codomain gi subset amani. Exercise 2.2. Question 1. Let A consist of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R consists of order pairs X, Y. Thrice X minus Y equal to 0 where X, Y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Here A equal to this, R equal to this. We have Y equal to thrice X. When X is 1, Y equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. When X equal to 2, Y equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. When X equal to 3, Y equal to 3 into 3, that is 9. When X is 4, Y equal to 3 into 4, that is 12. The outcomes are also in A. And when X is 5, 3 into 5, that is 15. 15 do A set the yaudi aduna X na 4, 5 lower the kanaroi. Therefore, R consists of these 4 order pairs. Therefore, its domain is set formed by the first components of the order pairs in R, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain is second set, that is A itself. Range is the set formed by the second components, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. 2. Define a relation R on the set N of natural numbers by R is consists of order pair x, y, y equal to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. X, y belongs to N. Depict this relationship using roster form. Write down the domain and the range. Here R equal to this. We have y equal to x plus 5. When x is 1, y equal to 1 plus 5, that is 6. When x equal to 2, y equal to 2 plus 5, that is 7. When x is 3, y equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. X cannot be 4, x cannot be a number greater than 4. Therefore, R consists of 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. These three order pairs. Therefore, its domain is 1, 2, 3 and the range is 6, 7, 8. Question number 3. A consists of 1, 2, 3, 5 and B consists of 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by R consists of order pairs x, y. The difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. Write R in roster form. Here A equal to this, B equal to this and R equal to this. Therefore R may be R yaugadabu order pairsing adudi first component khudikmakna A dagi logani, second component singna B dagi logadabani. 1 semba yaba 1 semba yabadi 1 4 1 6. Difference to odd oigadabani na odd amaga even amaga lobatare 1 4 1 6. 2 ga semba yaba singdudi 2 9. 3 ga semba yabadudi 3 4 3 6. 5 ka semba yaba dudi 5 4 5 6. 5 9 di yararoi even tare or tagadabani. 4. Figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write this relation in set builder form, roster form. What is its domain and range? Set builder form. The relation is defined as order pair x, y. X belongs to 5 6 7, y equal to x minus 2. The relation roster form, we have to list out this 5 3 6 4 7 5. Domain, the domain is 3 5 6. There's 5 6 7 and the range is 3 4 5. 5. A consists of 1 2 3 4 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by AB. A, B belongs to A. B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form. Find the domain of R. Find the range of R. A consists of this. R is defined as this. Therefore, R may be first component second component to divide over yagadabani adudi 1 divide over yaba area over number sing to the 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 6 area over 2 na area over 2 sing the yen yaba sing to the 2 2 2 4 2 6 area over 3 na e masamak over 3 ni yen yaba number sing to the 3 3 3 6 area over 4 na e mak to the over 4 ni yen yaba masing to the 4 4 asumna 6 ki the 6 6 katangari. Domain of R the first components in the same set aduni, that is 1 ama yaure 2 ama alorani 3 ama localani 4 6 and range of R the second components in the same aduni 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 6. 6. Determine the domain and the range of the relation are defined by R equal to this. X plus 5 x belongs to set consisting of 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here R is equal to this. Therefore, possible order pairs of R are 0. When x is 0, is corresponding is 5. 1 6 2 7 3 8 4 9 5 10. Therefore, domain is 0 1 2 3 4 5 and the range is second components 5 6 7 8 9 10. 7. Write the relation r equal to x, x cube. X is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. Prime number less than 10. What are the prime numbers less than 10? That is 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, R consists of 2, 2 cube, that is I. 3, 3 cube is 27. 5, 5 cube is 125. 7, 7 cube is 343. I. Let A consist of x, y, z and B consists of 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. We have to find out the number of relations from A to B. Firstly, we have to find out A cross B, number of elements in A cross B. That is n of A equal to n of B. This is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Therefore, number of relations from A to B is number of subsets of A cross B, that is 2 power n of A cross B, that is 2 power 6. I. 9. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R consists of order pair AB. AB belongs to Z. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. Let this domain of Z is domain of this relation is Z, as difference of any two integers is always integer. Therefore, A can take any integer. Therefore, domain is Z. And what is range? Range is the value of B. B can take any number, any integer. Therefore, range is also Z. Thank you for watching video.